In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund money to buyer on eBay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to issue a refund from the perspective of a seller. So if you recently sold an item on eBay and you would like to issue a refund for whatever reason, then follow the instructions in this video. To do this, go over to the Seller Hub. So go over to Seller Hub or My eBay and find the specific item that you would like to issue the refund for. So all of the items that you have sold will be displayed, and what you have to do is tap on this arrow to open the drop-down menu and then select Send Refund. If you cannot see this option, it could indicate that sadly you will not be able to refund that specific sale. The only option referring to refunds is this one, so if you don't see it, I suggest contacting the eBay customer support to see what can be done. But any item that has been sold on eBay would have this option here if refund is available. So open the drop-down menu and choose Send Refund. Now, you will have to enter the refund amount. So if you want to, you could issue a partial refund. Maybe the person wants to keep the item even though it could be broken, damaged, missing pieces, so you can offer a partial refund. Or alternatively, you can take this option here, give a full refund, or type the exact amount. It doesn't matter. Just specify how much of the total will be refunded to the buyer. Once it has been specified, choose Next, and you will have to give a reason. Don't worry, there are no wrong options here, just specify the reason, be transparent, and eBay will handle the refund for you. You can include a note to the buyer as well. And once the reason and the note have been included, you will see the review. Review refund, total refund to buyer, the value will show up at the right. You will see purchase price, shipping, fee credits, the refund amount that you owe, and how much you will refund, usually using your eBay funds. If everything looks okay, choose Refund Now, and eBay will process the rest of the payments. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you issue a refund on eBay, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.